Hi there, plant lover. Have you ever wondered why the ZZ plant is one of the most low maintenance and resilient houseplants out there? Whether you're looking for a hardy green companion for your home or office, or just want to add a touch of elegance to your space, the ZZ plant is a perfect choice. But did you know that proper care is key to keeping it healthy and thriving? Welcome to A-ZFloraJourney. Today, we'll dive deep into everything about the ZZ plant, its origin, care, propagation, common problems, and even some stylish decor tips. Stick around till the end for expert advice on keeping your ZZ plant looking lush and vibrant. What is the ZZ plant? Scientific name and origin. Its scientific name is Zamioculcas zamiifolia, and it belongs to the Araceae family. Despite its exotic look, the ZZ plant is one of the easiest houseplants to care for. It originates from Eastern Africa, particularly Tanzania and Kenya, where it grows in dry, rocky environments, which explains why it can go weeks without water. The beauty and benefits of ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is loved for its thick, glossy green leaves and its ability to thrive with minimal care. It's often used in modern, minimalist interiors because of its sleek, sculptural look. ZZ plant benefits. Hair purifying, removes toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. Drought tolerant, stores water in its rhizomes. Low light friendly, perfect for homes and offices. Symbolism. Considered a plant of prosperity and resilience in feng shui. Now that we know what makes the ZZ plant special, let's talk about how to care for it. ZZ plants are known for their low maintenance nature, but proper care ensures they remain healthy and vibrant. Here's everything you need to know. Light requirements. ZZ plants thrive in bright, indirect light, which encourages faster growth and lush green foliage. However, they can also tolerate low light conditions, making them ideal for offices or dimly lit spaces. Keep in mind that lower light levels will result in slower growth. To prevent damage, avoid placing your ZZ plant in direct sunlight, as excessive exposure can scorch the leaves and cause discoloration. Watering tips. One of the most common mistakes with ZZ plants is overwatering. These plants are drought tolerant and only need watering every 2 to 3 weeks, or when the soil is completely dry. During colder months, they require even less water. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's best to err on the side of underwatering rather than giving them too much moisture. Always check the soil before watering, ensuring that it has dried out completely. Temperature and humidity. ZZ plants prefer a temperature range of 18 to 30 degrees Celsius, making them well suited for typical indoor conditions. They are sensitive to extreme cold, so temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius can cause stress and slow their growth. Unlike tropical plants, ZZ plants do not require high humidity, so there's no need to mist them. Keeping them in a stable indoor environment, away from drafts or sudden temperature changes, will help maintain their health. Best growing medium. A well-draining soil mix is essential for ZZ plants as they do not tolerate waterlogged conditions. The best option is a cactus or succulent mix, which ensures proper drainage and aeration. Alternatively, you can create a suitable mix by combining regular potting soil with perlite to improve drainage. Using a pot with drainage holes is also important to prevent excess moisture from accumulating around the roots. Fertilizing. ZZ plants are slow growers and do not require frequent fertilization. To support healthy growth, apply a balanced liquid fertilizer at half strength every 2 to 3 months during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing as excessive nutrients can lead to burnt leaf tips and weak growth. During fall and winter, when the plant's growth slows down, fertilization is not necessary. Pruning. Pruning is minimal for ZZ plants as they naturally maintain a tidy appearance. However, if you notice yellow or damaged leaves, they should be trimmed to keep the plant looking fresh and healthy. Additionally, wiping the leaves with a damp cloth helps remove dust, keeping them glossy and allowing them to absorb more light efficiently. If the plant becomes too tall or leggy, you can prune the stems back to encourage a fuller, more compact growth habit. This comprehensive care routine will keep your ZZ plant thriving and looking its best with minimal effort. Common problems and solutions. Problem: yellow leaves. Cause: overwatering. Solution: let the soil dry completely before watering again. Problem: wrinkled or curling leaves. Cause: underwatering. Solution: water thoroughly when the soil is completely dry. Problem: leggy growth. Cause: not enough light. Solution: move to a brighter spot with indirect sunlight. Problem: root rot. Cause: overwatering. Solution: use a well-draining pot and let soil dry before watering. How to propagate the ZZ plant. Easy propagation methods. 1. Leaf cutting. Place a leaf in water and wait several months for roots. 2. Rhizome division. Separate the rhizomes when repotting and plant them separately. Propagation takes patience, but it's a great way to multiply your ZZ plant collection. Potting and repotting. Z plants don't need frequent repotting, just every 2-3 years, or when roots start outgrowing the pot. When repotting, start by choosing a pot that is one size larger than the current one. Make sure to use fresh, well-draining soil to promote healthy root growth. After repotting, water the plant lightly to help it settle into its new environment. Bonus tips and decor ideas. Want to make your ZZ plant stand out? Here are some stylish decor ideas. Use a sleek white or ceramic pot for a modern look. Place in corners of living rooms or offices for a fresh touch. Pair with snake plants or pothos for a beautiful green corner. And remember, ZZ plants are mildly toxic to pets and children, so keep them out of reach. And that's everything you need to know about the ZZ plant. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant parent, this hardy plant is a fantastic choice for any home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to A-ZFloraJourney for more expert plant care guides. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite easy care plant? See you in the next video.